Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi Note 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. And to get started, we'll need this tiny little tank SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, or you can also just use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you got one of the two, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. You can see right over here. So simply push the pin in and the tray will pop out. And once you take out the tray, you'll have space for two different SIM cards and single SD card. So let me place my SD card first and then SIM card. Now the SIM card can be placed on either tray, it doesn't really matter. And from there simply insert it back into the device. So there is the pin for the SIM card. So the SIM is obviously working and SD card is working as well, which you can see right over here. So that is how we would insert both SIM and SD. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.